Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker JBL Grip with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on a keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth and other devices, press at this line or click Enter. Now, at the right top you will find the button Add Device and you need to press this button. If you have Windows 10, you will find this button at the top. And of course you need to turn on your Bluetooth, so don't remember about it. Then click at the button. In this window you need to select Bluetooth. And now we can turn on the speaker and enter to pairing mode. So we have two options. If it's your first connection at the speaker, you need to only turn on it. So at the top of the speaker, press the power button one time. We just turn on the speaker and it will enter to pairing mode automatically. Also, we can enter to pairing mode manually. After you turn on your speaker, you need to press one time at the Bluetooth button. You will hear the prompt and this LED light start flashing white. So let's do this. And I just hear the prompt. This LED light start blinking white. So we should see the speaker at the device list. And right here we have the speaker. Click on it and then click Done. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!